Hello everyone, my name is Het Patel. I am from the City of Flowers, Brampton, Ontario. With the experience I have gained in this course, I design and develop experiences that make people's lives simple. I have selected Cloud9 Walkers as my frightful site as I discovered that the site required large amount of improvement in user experience. These are the services I am providing as a web developer. I can help you create a unique brand identity by creating a logo and a brand guide. I can help you improve your social media presence so your customers can stay engaged. I can help you create a responsive and a user friendly website. Coming back to the frightful site, these are some of the problems I discovered with the site. The landing page is cluttered and hard to follow. The call to action button present on the home page says find us on Facebook, which has an incorrect link. There are multiple fonts used with no visual hierarchy. The mission statement a Texas National Graded Horse experience is hidden due to no visual hierarchy. Some of the horses present on the home page are already sold and taking up too much space. The images have hidden links in them. Once you click on the link, it takes you to an individual horse page which has too large of an images and it is taking up too much white space. Users will have to endlessly scroll at the bottom of the page in order to find a navigation bar which has too many links, which is confusing for the user. If we switch to the mobile view, the website is not responsive to the mobile friendly users. The font size is too small to read. Even the buttons are too hard to click on. It would take all day if I list all the problems that I found with this website. These are the designing approach I overtook in order to address the problems I discovered with my frightful site. I started off with a technical analysis of the website, seeing how the website is performing for mobile friendliness, also accessibility, and also several indicators for the website. So as you can see, this is my technical analysis of the website. If you see the website creator score of the website, the, these are some of the key problems I discovered with the website. The website has too large of an image size. The content was really hard to read. The font sizing was not organized hierarchy-wise. The site was not accessible. Color scheme was not pleasing for the eye and it was hard to read. The HTML and CSS code were not written in a validated format. The page sizes were too large and was causing longer loading time. So this was my initial website grader score for the website. Once I moved on to creating the website, this is my final score after creating the prototype, and I am constantly monitoring the score in order to improve my web design. So this is the website I have designed. I will tell you the steps I took in order to create this website. I started off with creating different personas. So there was a farmer, a trainer, and also a student, middle school student, who were included in my persona to showcase that these kind of user base will be available for the website. Then I did analysis of my competition. Like I shortlisted five different websites in order to do the competitive analysis. Some of the websites were the top scoring websites, and some of them were local competitors of this website. Also, I figured out the key performance indicators. These are some of the key performance indicators. For example, monitoring unique visitors to the website, monitoring percentage of users click on the link or a call to action button, time spent per page, on-site search queries, number of visitors. So the conversions were number of visitors contacted the site owner, number of visitors purchased the service, and the number of users visited the blog. And then based on my KPIs, I created some smart codes in order to move on with my designing. So initially I started off with the mockup. I created several mockups for the website. So these are the mockups. These mockups are for the mobile laptop and a desktop friendly version. So after creating my wireframes, I moved on to prototyping for the website. The prototype I created was directly with HTML and CSS with the help of Bootstrap. As you can see, there is a home page, about us page, the horses page. The horses page will list all the horses present available for sale, and there are key horses available as well here. So I also did a task analysis for figuring out the easiest task for the user. For example, from the home page, the user will select the feature ad and they will be directed to a description page for the horse, and then they can just click the call to action button to call the owners. I also created a brand guide, created several logos for the website, and this is the primary and the secondary logo with some options for the different colors. The typography for the website to use, and the color palette for the website. I have also included the kind of images you can use for the website so the future designers can follow along with the brand guide. In order to measure my success, I did the user testing myself because I was not able to find any testers for the website currently. So as you can see, if you click on the filter horses pages, it will be directing you to the horses page, and then you can filter the different horses based on this page in the future. Individual horses, you can buy them directly from the home page itself, so the users will have options to buy favorite horses with minimum clicks. I have included the links to the website here. The links include my personal portfolio, Cloud9 Walker original website, and the Cloud9 Walker redesigned website prototype. I showed you how I have redesigned my Cloud9 Walker website by following design principles. I will be making more improvements to the website by following my wireframes and my prototypes. Thank you for watching my presentation.